You've got to find the right technology. That means experiment, try some of these different things out. Start with a small project where something's going to be time consuming and see if the tool can help you. And now that you're feeling more educated about this, educate your staff. So let them know what it can do, not just what it can do, but also the importance of security and the parameters that need to be put around it, and the fact that they need to review everything that it generates. If we just spend more time on this, we're going to get better and better at it. But we are early days with this. We'll probably do another one of these presentations in a year and see where we are. It's important to train your team to know a lot, because your lawyers may come to you. And again, it would be great if you're the expert in the firm on this, if you're at a smaller firm. And we're just going to continue to test it.